Welcome, dear student and everybody. Today I will tell you the glorious story of Sardar Patel. Sardar is the Iron Man of India. Sardar is the maker indication India. Sardar is the unique, indispensable person. Today I will tell you the Sardar Patel born in Gujarat. His father name is Sardar Patel. Displayed resolute determination of indication, undaunted, humble beginning, and the disheartening condition of under country British colonies rules. Patel went on to the study in England and becomes a barrister. Coming back home, and Sardar rose to eminence as one of the best barristers in the Ahmedabad city. The idea of servitude, however, was not a pleasant one, and his ideological clashes with British continue to grow. He soon threw himself heart and soul into the national freedom movement. He soon through rose becomes one of the most influential leaders of the Indian Congress and the become Congress and become the becomes regarded at the very close association of Mahatma Gandhi. Integration of princely state. By the time Indians integration from British Raj becomes imminent, there were 500 princely state. Integration of their princely state becomes a matter of prime importance. Responsibility was added to Sardar Patel. Patel was responsible. Patel was responsible the bringing together the state and building up to the Indian Republic. Sardar was not a man to man's world. Not only did he manage to secure their state and but also oversaw the transformation of administration is a phased way. This earned is a monitor uniform of India. Students, I said you the Sardar Patel say manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power, and the life is in hand of God, therefore cannot be worried. At the end of the life of Sardar Patel's life, boldness is our life. Victorious, adventure, and valor. One to becomes true servant. One should make the best India, the best in the world.